One century-long interest of the Foundation is the problem of economic and social inequality. As American society has changed, the kinds of forms that these problems have taken have changed enormously. We're in a time now of very rapid technological change. The challenges of AI for work and the job market, the recent challenges of the pandemic and the whole movement to work from home have very uncertain effects, particularly on the most disadvantaged Americans. These are novel problems that have some parallel historically with the emergence of manufacturing industries in the late 19th century. That was a huge problem that was an enormous interest for the Foundation 100 years ago. Back then, it was factories and industrialization, and today it's high-tech and computerization.